Hi everyone, welcome back to Tree Loves to Resale. I'm Teresa, and today I am going to be doing another Threadup men's rescue box. I paid $110 for this, and I'm going to show you what I got. I have the box here. Let's see here if I can show you. I can point the camera down and show you the box. There is the box. Yes, I have already opened it. There's no reason for me not to be totally honest. I did already open it because I wanted to start hanging up and photographing, and I didn't have time to do the complete haul. So yes, and because I've had this for like a week or two. So I'm just going to dive right in. I'm going to start showing you. We'll kind of go through them together, and I will kind of tell you what I think. I did get a bunch of these Nautica t-shirts. I'm fine with that. These are new with tag. I thought they were cute. I don't know what I can get for them. They are size small, and this is what they look like. They are, they say $24.50 or something. So, you know, if I can get 15, 18 bucks, I would be happy. I also got this, just Hanes Beefy 2XL, like thermal. It's really nice. It's like new condition, like practically new condition. So, you know, 10, 15 bucks. Happy with that. These pants. I haven't really looked at all this stuff, honestly. I just hung a bunch up because I wanted to try to get photographing. These pants that I did get, these slacks, Abercrombie & Fitch, Rustin, Athletic, Slim, Stretch, 32.32. Now, you know, pants seem to do okay. This is what they look like. This is the label. And yeah, you know, 15, 20 bucks. I don't know. I don't think they're more than that. If they are, yay. Next thing was this hoodie, and this was really nice, but the tag was pulled out. It's like a thermal hoodie. You know, again, unbranded stuff does sell. It just doesn't sell for a tremendous lot. If I can get 15, 18 bucks, I'll be happy. These were the things that I already hung up that I was going to start photographing. This beautiful J. Crew large sweater. I do believe that it's wool. Let me see. Yes, it's 100% lamb's wool. So that was good. Maybe I can get 25, 30 for this, hopefully. I'm not positive, but you know, that's what I probably will list it at. So that would be great. A Nike hoodie, they always sell, again, 15, 18 bucks. This is a size small. Nice condition. Show you a few other things that I haven't hung. This is a zip up dry fit size large. I don't know, it looks like a kid's large. It doesn't look like a boy's. It doesn't look like a man's large. Nice mesh pockets. You know, these sell. They just don't sell for a tremendous amount. That's all. I'm going to go ahead and put them in the basket so I can count. This, what in the heck is this? Okay. This is a Prince fashion shirt. I probably won't list this. This is like, I don't know, polyester garbage. I don't know. I'm not gonna list that. I'll just donate that. Fine with that. All this stuff looks pretty clean though. This is a Clima Light Adidas. Oh, this one's got a stain. I don't know. I'll probably have to try to get the stain out. If not, I could get maybe 15. It's white. We'll see. Another t-shirt. Let me see here. What does this say? Another Nautica 1983. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, you know, if I could get 15, that would be better. Here's an H&M regular fit standard shirt. It was $24.99. It's got the tag on it. I don't know, 15, 18, 20 bucks would be nice. Maybe. We'll try, right? These were interesting. They're Ralph Lauren 3332 tailored fit. Color's a little odd, but maybe somebody will want them. I don't know. Would be nice. Very nice zipper. Really nice zipper. Man, these are really nice. Are these golf pants? I don't know. But they're really nice. They're just a really odd color for a man. I don't know. But you know what? I'll list them. Somebody might want a pair of coral pink. They feel really nice. Pants. I have not really looked at this bottom here. Okay, this is cool. Lands End long sleeve pullover, extra large. This will sell. I wouldn't say there's anything so far that's like great, but cotton, 5% cashmere, Joseph PSA bank pullover. Hopefully, maybe. This is nice. It has the elbow pads. So hopefully we can get something for this. This is a Volcom hoodie, long sleeved, size medium. I'll definitely take pictures of this and get it listed. Hopefully get it listed soon. This is a Hollister black and khaki flannel. Quite nice, almost looks brand new. Extra small. Really nice. This is a really nice flannel. I'm definitely gonna list that. These pants were really nice. They're Calvin Klein jeans, 3330. Dark denim in good shape. I have no idea, you guys, on what I'm going to get for this stuff. I gotta research. This is a blue sapphire striped penguin t-shirt. Now, penguin does sell pretty decent, and it does have the tag, but it doesn't say how much it was. So I have no idea. I have no idea. But it's new with tag. I like that. Another black dry fit large shirt. These sell. They just, you know, don't fly out the door, and they don't sell for much. But that's okay. Another Adidas one. This one's pretty nice. It's Adi Zero Climacool white. This one is in good condition. You know, again, if I can just get even 15, 18 bucks for these, I'm happy. This I did not get. This I washed. I picked this up at a Goodwill. So excuse me, but this was hanging. It's a Naples, like vintage sweatshirt. These sell, really, unbelievably. Yes, I know. That's odd. I'm going to just hang that up real quick. Okay, let's finish. This is a Champion size large, like pullover. I don't think I'm going to list this. I mean, I might be able to get some money for it, but I don't know. Well, maybe I will. I don't know. I'm indecisive. Oh boy. Now this is interesting. Suit pants. I don't know. They have no brand on them, no size. I'm not going to list these. They look like boys. I mean, I don't know. Why would they send me this? I don't know. Oh, and I have a handy dandy vest that goes with them. Oh boy. No size, no brand, nothing. I'm just going to donate that. That I'm not dealing with. Calvin Klein short sleeve light golf shirt, liquid touch it says. It's nice. I mean, this will eventually sell. It may take a while. Not sure. Pants. Some more pants. I don't know. These don't have a, they might be H&M. Not seeing a tag. Let's see here. Yeah, I don't know. I probably won't list these because they don't have a tag and I'm not going to deal with it. So this was not that great, you guys. Not really that thrilled. I mean, I don't know. Paid 110. I don't know. Hopefully we can get our money back. Whatever. This is the chance you take when you buy these. It's just what it is. Mark Anthony, slim fit, 15 and a half. Like striped purple and black. Needs to be steamed. I don't know. Again, I'm not really thrilled. I don't really, I'd rather have less pieces and heavier items, like more quality items. I don't need all of these items that aren't that great. Here is another penguin with tags, so that's good. Striped shirt, size large. I'll definitely list that. You know, I'm curious what these go for. I'm just gonna do a quick Google search, or I mean, on eBay. Penguin short sleeve t-shirt, new. Okay. Well, so pre-owned they go $15, $18. So hopefully new I can get 20. I don't know. Do you think 20? I would love to be able to get 20. Abercrombie and Fitch, size medium. Pullover, like sweater. Oh, cardigan sweater. This isn't bad. This might sell. Somebody might want this. Let's see what the fabric content is. Let's see here. It says all these different languages. I don't know. I'm not seeing it. It feels like it has some wool in it, but I'm not sure. I'll have to look closer at the tag, but it's nice. It'll be a nice little piece. Okay, so here's the jacket that goes to that suit. Oh my. Prince Fashion. Oh boy. It goes with that shirt, I bet. I'm not listing that. That's ridiculous. I'm not. No, not gonna happen. Okay, this is a luxury blend, Banana Republic, silk, cotton, cashmere, men's V-necked red sweater. So that's pretty. You know, that would make a really nice for the holidays. That's very nice. I got two Kirkland's shirts, traditional fit, non-iron, 17, 34, 35. They're nice, actually. And they're the same shirt. So that's good. I can just do a quick listing. I'm not going to take them out. They're folded and everything. They're the same. I'm going to photograph them just like this too. I'm not going to take them off. I'll just do a bunch of photographs. And you know what? I'll probably just go ahead and sell these together now that I'm thinking about it. They're new with tag. I don't know how much they are. I don't know what they go for. I'll have to look them up. But yeah, I'll just go ahead and list those together. It'll make it easier for me. And then I have a pair of Brooklyn standard, like pull-on athletic jogging pants. I don't know, size large. I don't know. They don't really look like an large, in all honesty. So we'll see about those. I got two pairs of shoes. These are, I don't know. They're not terrible. I don't know what brand they are. They're size 9s. 1901, whatever they are. They do look leather. They're not in bad shape. They'll sell, I'm sure. I mean, at least $15. I don't know, 20 maybe. I don't know. They're not bad. They're not in bad shape either. And then lastly, the last item in the box are a pair of tennis shoes. I have no idea what kind they are. Okay, so they're Adidas. I don't know. I'm not really impressed. They're a size 11, but I'll list them. If nothing else, I'll try to get 10, 15 bucks. They make a great pair of secondary shoes, like just running around shoes, and they're not really that dirty. And they do have the shoelaces. They're not really that dirty at all. So, and there you have it. That is the box. I don't know. I've had better boxes for sure. I did get some new with tag pieces, so that's great. Let's count how many pieces I got. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So I got 35 pieces, of which 31 I'm going to sell. Because I'm not going to mess with that suit, that horrible 60s suit. And I'm not going to mess with that other pair of pants that isn't labeled. I don't necessarily mind listing unbranded stuff. I don't like listing things that don't have sizes on them because it makes it just far too hard. So 31 items, $110. I will put the math on the screen. Yes, I will. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Yeah, I have a whole playlist of Threadup unboxings if you're interested in watching. Please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Come back and see me. I appreciate it. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.